Today we are making a delicious and appetizing vegetarian stir-fry shrimp with Thai dried shrimp paste. This home-style dish is highly recommended to everyone. The inspiration for this dish came from the chili fried shrimp in Kitchen. I used a vegetarian sauce and added turmeric, and the result was incredibly amazing. No exaggeration. Interested friends can click on the QR code in my video to purchase directly on Shopee. Very simple and convenient. The flavor of this sauce is very fragrant and suitable for most people's taste. It's not too spicy. After all that, this is the delicious Thai shrimp paste that I've recently fallen in love with. The most important thing is that it's vegetarian, so even friends with shrimp allergies can enjoy it. For the shrimp, I bought pre-prepared small shrimp because I plan to cut them into small pieces, so the size of the shrimp doesn't matter. Marinate the shrimp, which have been cut into small pieces, with pepper and salt. This gives them a basic flavor, and the pepper also helps to eliminate any fishy smell. Okay, let's start stir-frying the shrimp now. Add cooking oil and 1 tablespoon of vegetarian Thai shrimp paste to the pan and stir-fry until fragrant. This sauce contains vegetarian shrimp, and the grainy texture really feels like eating dried shrimp. After stir-frying until fragrant, add the shrimp and stir-fry together. For seasoning, I added turmeric powder and a little black pepper salt. Remember to add the turmeric powder, as it's the secret to making this dish delicious. There's no need to add salt, because the shrimp paste is already seasoned. If it's too dry, add a little water and stir-fry together. Once the shrimp are cooked through, it's done. Simple and easy, the fragrant, golden yellow turmeric Thai chili shrimp stir-fry is ready. Just plate it and it's time to eat. The vegetarian Thai-style stir-fried shrimp with turmeric powder and pepper salt has a rich and fragrant flavor. The unique aroma of the vegetarian shrimp paste blends perfectly with the shrimp, and the turmeric adds a wonderful earthy note. This dish is very appetizing and goes well with rice. Next time you make nasi lemak, you can also stir-fry this to mix with the rice. The flavor is very good and they complement each other perfectly. Vegetarian Thai shrimp paste is a plant-based seasoning sauce that mimics the flavor of traditional Thai shrimp paste. It is typically made from ingredients like soy protein and mushrooms to replicate the texture and umami taste of dried shrimp. This sauce is commonly used in vegetarian cooking to add a distinct Thai flavor to dishes. Turmeric powder is rich in curcumin, a compound with powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that help protect the body's cells from damage. It is commonly used to promote digestive health and alleviate symptoms like indigestion. Some studies suggest that curcumin may have positive effects on improving brain function and preventing cardiovascular diseases. In Chinese culture, eating shrimp during the New Year symbolizes happiness and laughter, as the word for shrimp, hao, sounds like laughter. It also represents vitality and energy due to the shrimp's lively movements. More broadly, shrimp can signify good fortune and abundance for the coming year. With this golden turmeric vegetarian shrimp paste stir-fried shrimp dish, I wish you a prosperous new year filled with wealth and abundance. May your life be as vibrant and joyful as these shrimp, bringing you happiness and laughter every day. Wishing you and your family a lucky new year, success in all your endeavors, and surplus abundance year after year. My channel will also start sharing how I find vegetarian recipes that are suitable for vegan like me when eating out. If you are a meatless person like me, then there is no problem with putting it in your eating out diary. Vegetarianism can be divided into the following categories, and their differences are briefly summarized. Vegan: do not consume any animal products, including meat, fish, eggs, milk, honey, etc. Avoid using animal products such as leather and wool. Lacto-vegetarian: do not eat meat or fish, but eat eggs and dairy products such as milk and cheese. Lacto-vegetarian: do not eat meat, fish, eggs, but eat dairy products such as milk and sourdough. For vegetarian: do not eat meat, fish, dairy products, but eat eggs. Pescatarian: do not eat red meat or poultry but eat fish, seafood, and may also eat eggs and milk. Flexitarian: mainly vegetarian, occasionally eat a small amount of meat or fish, without strict restrictions. Religious, cultural vegetarianism such as Buddhist vegetarianism and Hindu vegetarianism may prohibit the consumption of specific meats such as beef, pork, or 5 pungent vegetables such as onions and garlic. Main difference: whether eggs, milk, fish are included, and the degree of strictness. Veganism is the strictest, and flexitarianism is the most relaxed. Try to start with one meat-free day. Weekly small steps create big impacts. Heal the planet. Each vegan meal slashes 50% carbon footprint and saves water. Your fork protects forests and wildlife habitats. Kindness matters. Choosing veggies means saying yes to compassion, reducing farmed animal suffering with every bite. Boost your health. Plant-based meals packed with fiber and antioxidants cut heart disease risks, leaving you energized and glowing. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.